We just arrived to the airport, Changi Airport, Terminal 3. We are going to Jewel. I'm gonna make a few shots. I make a special video from the Jewel as well last time if you're interested to watch. In Singapore, they have a vending machine when you can buy the fresh bouquet of flowers for your loved ones when you are in the airport. That's really cool indeed. So cool. Anyways, long time ago there was like a sky train passing the waterfall in Jewel. I asked somebody, unfortunately still closed due to pandemic times, post-pandemic times. Maybe next time when I'm in Singapore. And here we go, we arrived to the Jewel. This is actually shopping mall and terminal at the same time, but with this cool looking waterfall over there. We're gonna go there now. Also next to this waterfall here, there are some very cool bars. You can come here, you don't need to be a passenger, you can come like we came just from the outside. And if you come around 12, it's not so busy today yet. That's actually very cool indeed. As you remember, there was so many checkpoints, now it's nothing. Actually pretty many people coming to enjoying the waterfall. We're gonna go down a little bit to show you one shot. Hello little buddy, how you doing? Cleaning airport to keeping everyone clean and safe. As I mentioned already, there's also a very huge mall. You can have a big flagship of Nike and any other brands, also the Apple store, in case if you would like to buy something. And again, I had a little bit moment of the shock. Hello, are you Damien? I met some fans from New Zealand here in Changi Jewel Airport. In Changi Airport in Jewel Terminal in Singapore again. Alright, and now if we are already here, we're having a coffee break with this beautiful view. Check this out, you can find so many nice restaurants here. And the price is actually, you know what, very affordable. I know in Bali Airport, we paid last time a little bit more than here, so it means something. And the view, priceless, and of course, coffee. Cheers.
And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na na na.
Terminal in Jewel, you should go down and go to the bottom of the waterfall because it looks so cool. And it's the most busier part actually here, so I highly recommended you to come on the bottom and on the top because you have a two different perspectives. And also at night time there is the light festival, don't forget about that guys. So as you can see, nothing really has changed, everything is same like it was, so beautiful. Beautiful Jewel waterfall. I make a special video about that, however it's a little bit outdated. I was there in April and at that time you still had to wear a mask and there was everywhere you had to scan the app, trace together about your vaccination status and everything. Now all of this is gone, you can come here, enjoy. No masks are required in anywhere, almost anywhere in Singapore. And if you're looking to watch the full video from this place, this specific area, 4 or 5 months ago, you can check the links in the comment section. I make a special video about that one. Meanwhile, we're gonna enjoy a little bit time and then we're gonna have a summer lunch in the hawker center.
But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all.
There are some local Singaporean YouTubers behind me. Anyways, we arrived just to Newton and we are heading to Newton Food Center. This is the biggest, one of the biggest food courts, one of my favorite ones. And this is also the food court where they film crazy rich Asians, guys. For everyone who are interested about the food in Singapore, stay with me. Here we go, this is like an entrance from the small alley and you have a food court itself, so many stars. It's still very hot, it's actually like around 2 o'clock, so it's not so busy. If you're gonna come here on the after 7 or something, they will be very busy and evidently will be like so many options. But we're gonna find something right now. It's also nice sometimes to be somewhere where it's not so many people actually, because once I was here actually last time was very busy. and we're gonna show you what the food we can find here. And meanwhile, this is like a little overview how the Newton Food Center looks like around. It's pretty big indeed. So obviously if you're gonna come here after 6-7 p.m. it's gonna be everywhere around, so many people, and it's really actually pretty hard to find a table. But now you come here at 2-3 p.m. and it's still very quiet. Also they open currently since 8 o'clock at morning up to 2 o'clock at morning, if I'm not mistaken. Of course you can find so many food here. One of the most famous is chili crab in Singapore. This is like a seafood. This is like an Indian food over here. There you have noodles with seafood, you have Indian food, and so on, so on, so on. Then you have a drink section. Also, this food center is famous for the oyster omelette, however, it's closed currently. Grilled seafood, some fish porridge, some grilled lobster. There is the lady who was selling actually the satay, what the Daniel Ricciardo was here last time, if I'm not mistaken actually. She had a picture somewhere, but maybe it's not this one today. Many stalls are also closed currently because it's too early. There are some YouTubers with the very fancy cameras around. So you can find so many interesting stuff. And also this is the big point of interest in overall, that's for sure. This is another satay place. Maybe this one was like with the actually Daniel Ricciardo. It doesn't really matter. This is the rice, the sticky rice, what they're preparing for you. I think it's maybe a little bit too early. So, this is like a Michelin one with the actually food court, the street food with the Michelin star. This one, this lady over here. Here we go. That's the serious thing over here. And then top class, of course, and stuff like this one. We're gonna take some food for lunch, that's for sure, but I think personally I recommend you to come maybe later, maybe starting coming at 4, 5, 6 p.m. First of all, it's very hot right now, especially when I'm working here on the middle of the yard, and also many shops are not ready yet or not open in general. So eventually we decide to gonna have Indian food today in this lovely place. The lady preparing some onion, stuff like this. Let's see what we're gonna have here. Uncle and auntie a little bit tired already because the heat of Singapore, lady preparing the onions, and this is like we order some. Hello, how are you? Oh, that's my.
Come in. We get two of your head.
What's that? Oh, chili on the head. Okay, what is it? Naan, garlic naan.
Garlic.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's tandoori chicken or what?
Tandoori chicken.
Oh, very nice. Chicken tikka. So cool. This is very spicy, no?
Not really.
Not really? Oh, that's the kitchen, everything. Thank you for showing me around. Waiting for the food. Yeah, no worries.
Yeah.